تجري من تحتها الأنهار له فيها من كل الثمرات وأصابه الكبر وله ذرية ضعفاء فأصابها إعصار فيه نار فاحترقت كذلك يبين الله لكم الآيات لعلكم تتفكرون.
Would any of you desire that he should have a garden of palms and vines with rivers flowing beneath it, a garden in which he has every manner of fruit, and that it should then be struck by a fiery whirlwind and be utterly burned down at a time when old age has overtaken him and his offspring are still too small to look after their affairs. Thus does Allah make His teachings clear to you, that you may reflect.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا أنفقوا من طيبات ما كسبتم ومما أخرجنا لكم من الأرض ولا تيمموا الخبيث منه تنفقون ولستم بآخذيه إلا أن تغمضوا فيه واعلموا أن الله غني حميد.
Believers, spend in the way of Allah out of the good things you have earned and out of what we have produced for you from the earth, and choose not for your spending the bad things, such as you yourselves would not accept, or accept only by overlooking its defects. Know well that Allah is all munificent, most praiseworthy.
الشيطان يعدكم الفقر ويأمركم بالفحشاء والله يعدكم مغفرة منه وفضلا والله واسع عليم.
Satan frightens you with poverty and bids you to commit indecency, whereas Allah promises you His forgiveness and bounty. Allah is munificent, all-knowing.
يؤتي الحكمة من يشاء ومن يؤت الحكمة فقد أوتي خيرا كثيرا وما يذكر إلا أولو الألباب.
He grants wisdom to those whom He wills, and whoever is granted wisdom has indeed been granted much good. Yet none except people of understanding take heed.
وَمَا أَنفَقْتُم مِّن نَّفَقَةٍ أَوْ نَذَرْتُم مِّن نَّذْرٍ فَإِنَّ اللَّهَ يَعْلَمُهُ وَمَا لِلظَّالِمِينَ مِنْ أَنصَارٍ.
Allah knows whatever you spend, or whatever you vow to spend. The wrongdoers have none to succor them,